Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 5 blaster boxes of Topps 2023 Series 1. You can't beat $15 a box. They did have some hangers of Topps 2024. But, like I said, you can't beat hangers for 15. Blasters. Flagship Series 1. When does that ever happen? And you get commemorative patches in here. Hopefully that will lead to maybe like an auto or a numbered card. Maybe one of these short printed rookies would be good. Like an Adley. Home field advantage cards. Got a lot of 2023 been opening. It's going to be a great auction. We auction all of it off in one big lot. Usually I save behind some of the good rookies I would want to keep. Maybe. I really like them. Like, no one out of 2023. Maybe Adley. But out of 2022, J-Rod. Yeah, I have a couple of his prison cards. That's about it. Maybe Alan Ginter, maybe. All right, it's the last box. We've been a crazy week for numbered cards out of these boxes as well. Just gotta get them a little organized. All right, here we go. First pack. Stephen Kwan. All right, we got Tatis, Soto, and Harper. I don't think we got any rookies in that pack. Wainwright, Casas. There's a rookie. Frenchie, Goldschmidt. Greg Maddux, Bregman. Nice Gunnar Henderson on the front there. J-Rod. Barton Buxton, Jose Ramirez, Sonny Gray, Schwarber. We got Acuna Jr., Patrick Wisdom, Molina. Maybe the relic is in here. I'm going to assume so. Mike Trout, Alec Boehm, Vinny Kepler, and then we get an Aaron Judge manufactured relic card. At least it's a good player. Got a real blue coming up. Not going to be of a rookie, unfortunately. We got a Riley Green rookie card. Must be really hard to pull good cards out of regular Topps. You always get, you'll get a parallel. It'll be out of 2023, $9.99. Who's pulling the good ones? We open a lot. Bo Bichette, Topps Chrome. And half on the back. All right, first box really gave us absolutely nothing. Really bad. Best card was probably the Judge or maybe the Gunner. Another Gunner. Wonder why it's so weak. J-Rod on the front. Love J-Rods. We have a lot of those cards. Hunter Green. Future Stars. Or Marsh Future Stars. Forgot today was a holiday, but I still did manage to mail everybody's orders out. So hopefully you'll be getting them a little early. There was workers at the post office working behind the scenes. So I know it will get out soon. Michael Harris rookie card. It's going to be a Nolan Gorman rookie. Stars of the MLB. Foil refractor, Brett Beatty. Riley Green rookie card, not bad. And I do see a Riley Green rookie card right there. Topps Chrome. Decent. Alright, this one's going to be the manufactured relic patch. Pray it's something good. Because you can only get, I don't think it's anything, but you can only get them in the blasters. You'd think after opening 1 million blasters, you get something. C.J. Abrams. Another Brett Beatty. I guess we got a blue coming up. Something. All right, nothing special, just a blue. Tatis, it's not numbered or anything. Thought it would have been. Because you don't see many blues of those. It's the first parallel one I pulled. Royal blue coming up. He's somebody good. Josh Chisholm. Shohei Ohtani card. Like Shohei's. The card is not worth anything though. For the $1.25, I think I have 4 of them listed. Wow, second box, nothing. Worse than the first one. Adley, I like that. Judge. Real weak. We don't even have a hollow foil rookie or a rainbow rookie. Not even a gold. Well, at least we got 2 boxes left. Maybe one of them will change our opinion. Franco, another Shohei. That was his base. Gonna assume this is the relic pack. I saw color for a second. I got excited. Jumped the gun there. All right, it's a Pete Alonso. Typical nothing. Soto, that's not numbered. Three boxes, not one numbered card, not a relic, not an auto, not a blue rookie, royal blue rookie. Aaron Judge. Get the manufactured. Patches, that's about it. All right, who's this? Jordan Montgomery. It's going to be a rainbow foil, not a rookie. Awful. A lot of Mike Trout Future Stars cards. Mike Trout, Alec Bohm, Michael Harris rookie card. So Joe Musgrove, Freddie Freeman. And I feel like the packs are getting worse and worse. Guerrero on the back. This may be a relic pack. Seems a little thick. And it definitely is. That'll be a Wander Franco relic. Gorman rookie card, another one of him. Just constantly, absolutely nothing. Look at this. That's 4 boxes. There's nothing in there. Wow. That's real bad. It's a Rafael Devers, another Mike Trout Future Stars. I said we're getting a lot of them, and we are. That's strange. Never seen that before. They put the relic on the front. Jazz Chisholm. That's really weird. No tops. There we go, royal blue, nothing. Wow. 2 packs left. Gotta be something huge in there. More J-Rod Rookie Cup. This is bad. This is very, very bad. We got nothing. We would need a Shohei Ohtani autograph to make up for how bad of boxes those were. Wow, we get a gold of you, Darvish. The last pack. What a joke. Absolute joke. Thank you for watching.